On today's episode, we're going to have a look at the DCV100. This will be an unboxing and a review. Can I do them both at once? G'day, I'm Dave TTC. This is Dave's Cave, Australia. And please like, subscribe, and watch to the end. First, pay attention to the DCV100. Here it is, brand new in the box. Pull out our trusty knife and open it up. Right out of the box is the bag. So out of the box we have paperwork, the two bits that go on, we have a charger, we have the tool, and we have the battery. And this one is a 5 amp hour and that is 1 bar of charge. Okay, so lining it all up, we have the unit, the battery, tubes for extending the blower. You can use it just with a short or with the extension. Got these little attachments that go on if you want to get in little nooks and crannies. And we've got the bag. Like last time, we don't need the box anymore. Yeah, I have one already, so why another? She's given up the ghost. Whereas this one goes. So why did this one give up the ghost? Could it be that I left it outside when we had about 25 mil or an inch of rain? I'm not saying anything. So as far as a blower is concerned, what do I think? I was quite happy with that one. I had a Makita one before that, which is pretty much identical looking at first glance. I haven't really put them side by side to have a look, but whether you got Milwaukee, Ryobi, Makita, I think they're all got a fairly similar design principle. I did find the DeWalt one better, but then it was a newer tool and newer battery technology. Can I really say it's better than Makita? I didn't compare new for new, so I can't really say. But I can say that I was happy with the performance of this one. One thing, I believe it'll work, is that I'll keep the extra length because sometimes it does matter. There you have it. That is the DCV100. Yes, it's a tool I would obviously buy again because I did. Thanks for watching. As always, encourage you to like, subscribe, and share. Bye for now. See you on the next one.